Hey guys, welcome to iToolab channel. Did you fail to bypass iCloud activation lock with UnlockGo? Don't panic, we can help you fix the issue. First of all, you need another working iPhone or iPad. Then run the App Store on the working iPhone. Now, you need to download and install Apple Configurator on your device. Once done, open it. It will ask you to sign in with a managed Apple account. Here, please sign in with the email address in the description. Tap Continue. Tap Use Other Apple Account. You need to sign in with the email address we offered once again. Then tap Sign In. Tap Continue. Several seconds later, you'll see an interface like this. Now, pick up your iCloud locked iPhone. Firstly, please remove the SIM card if you have one. Then go back to the Choose a Wi-Fi network screen. We need to disconnect from the Wi-Fi. If the screen is unresponsive, you can go back to the previous interface. Then press and hold the power button. Select More Wi-Fi settings from the options. Tap the eye icon to forget this network. Please make sure the two phones are next to each other. Wait for the Add this iPhone to your organization screen to appear. If this screen doesn't appear, you need to restart your iCloud locked iPhone. Now, pick up the working iPhone to scan the screen. Tap Erase iPhone. After the phone restarts, you will see the iPhone locked to owner screen again. Please remove the iCloud activation lock with our program once more. You will succeed this time. That's all for today's video. Please subscribe to the channel to get the latest information.